Every kind of application, Murrelektronik has the right family of Fieldbus components for you. We focus on bringing a real benefit for you on your machine. It starts with IP20 protection with Murrelektronik's Cube 20, Mozi 20, and the new Impact 20. With its high channel density and its small dimensions, the products are perfect for installations in terminal boxes and control panels. The excellent price-performance ratio ensures extreme cost savings. Our Fieldbus interfaces are made for applications like mechanical engineering, materials handling technology, or logistics. For applications outside of the cabinet, we have the basic products, Impact 67, Mozi 65, and Mozi 67, all of which are IP67 protected and feature fixed input, output, or both. For the rugged environments and extreme requirements, Mozi 68, Cube 67, and MBK metal are the right solutions. Shock and vibration resistance is standard, as is resistance to nearly all kinds of liquids. Additionally, we have multifunction IOs or metal housings like the MBK metal module. MBK metal with fast startup leads Murrelektronik's Fieldbus family. For example, if you need to make a tool change and you have to reboot the module, it only needs 420 milliseconds for startup. This module is a must-have in the robotics industry. The dream of every machine user is to stop searching for errors and find them. The automation products from Murrelektronik help you do just that and reduce machine downtime to a minimum. You have the choice to decide how to do this. You can either use the standard diagnosis, which has an LED at the related port and an accumulative message goes to the PLC, or use the enhanced diagnosis, which gives you detailed information in the PLC about the location and the kind of error. This will boost the efficiency of your machine and save your nerves at the same time. Now on to further Fieldbus component advantages. The first advantage was the hardware with the housing and connectors. The second was the software, things like diagnosing the error and fast startup. Now I'd like to show you the third advantage of our Fieldbus products. As you can see, Murrelektronik supports nearly all Fieldbus protocols. This is the freedom you can rely on from Murrelektronik to plan your machine and fulfill your customers' needs. More flexibility is possible when you use a modular Fieldbus installation like Cube 20 or Cube 67. There, you only have to change the bus node and the rest of the I/O remains unchanged. Flexibly design your installation. With this slogan, Murrelektronik presents the modular Fieldbus families of Cube 20 and Cube 67. On this board, we show you how it's possible to connect and combine Cube 20 and the Cube 67 families flexibly. Cube 67 modules can be connected with the new Cube 20 or Cube 67 interface Fieldbus station, which means that one Cube 20 bus node and 15 Cube 20 or Cube 67 modules. You can connect up to 10 meters Cube 67 cables to the Cube 67 or Cube 20 interface module. Likewise, it is possible to connect Cube 20 modules to a Cube 67 Fieldbus station. You can connect up to 3 Cube 20 modules to the interface module with 8 multifunctional signals. The integrated machine options management from the Cube 67 Plus bus node makes it possible for the user to design different machine variations with only one software and one machine document. For this purpose, it is only necessary to make a variation comprehensive hardware configuration with the maximum configuration for the machine. Dependent on the Cube 67 modules which are needed, the modules can be activated or deactivated by simple information from the PLC software. On to other news, all Cube 67 analog modules are available as extension modules, and also the Cube 67 Plus module is available with RS232/485 interface. Safety technology is a major topic in the mechanical engineering and plant construction, and Murrelektronik has the best products. For example, Miro safety relays. Miro safety relays can be used for emergency stop and guard door monitoring, two-hand operation, and for safety mat and light barrier applications. We also have versions with time-delayed contacts and expansion modules. MiroSafe helps reduce downtime and optimize outages, since MiroSafe is used to protect both man and machine. In combination with MiroSafety, Murrelektronik has passive Fieldbus technology. The passive safety combines today's safety technology with the reliable, standard Fieldbus modules. This makes machine installation smooth, so you have the newest concepts and principles in your system. This technology is the easiest and safest solution for your machine. Murrelektronik Fieldbus components meet the requirements of the current EN 94-1 standard, and they're suitable for applications up to Category 3, and is succeeding EN 13849-1 and 2 standard. The passive safety components that are available are Cube 67, MVK metal, and the MOSI versions. For example, if you work with AS interface products from Murrelektronik, you can choose between MOSI 20, MOSI 67, and MOSI 68. The MOSI 67 module is appropriate for installation with a profile cable. The MOSI 68 series is particularly suitable for AS interface solutions in the rough environments. They are fully potted and very sturdy and feature a slim dimension. MOSI 67 and 68 correspond to the current AS interface 3.0 specifications and are suitable for the AS interface's Power 24. Murrelektronik has new extension modules whose integrated distributor functions make installation concepts with AS interfaces simpler and clearer. Together with round lines and system accessories, Murrelektronik presents a simple and complete AS interface installation concept. Now we'll talk about passive wiring. You can use it in nearly all applications and have the fastest possible signal transfer to the PLC. It's nearly light speed. Now let's take a look at sensors and actuators. These can be wires with cord sets, M12 cables, and self-wirables. You have an incredible diversity to connect all M12 cord sets to many different kinds of distribution boxes. With so many options, you can absolutely find the best solution for your application. You can either decide to use a fixed cable or a pluggable main cable with your distribution box. Fixed cables are mostly when you have a non-moving installation. But if the cable is used in a flexible application or in drag chains, for example, a pluggable solution is the best advantage for startup and service. With the pluggable cable, it's easier to monitor and set up your machine. Now we'll present you an additional solution to connect the passive distribution boxes directly to the PLC through the cabinet. Now you can order all Murrelektronik D boxes, caps, or M23 plugs with a pre-wired Wire Plus. The cable length can be specified in half meters and can go to a max length of 30 meters, so your cable fits your machine perfectly. Wire Plus is robust, but it also is light and it's IP65 sealed. To complete the PLC system for wiring, you can also order an open-ended socket or a pre-wired PLC connector pigtail in 15 centimeter steps. If you want to install the wires on your own, all Wire Plus components can be ordered with open leads or with inserts and crimp contacts for wiring with your own special cable. Wire Plus offers big benefits for your startup and maintenance, and you will need almost no tools. A knockout punch to make the hole in the cabinet and a simple screwdriver. Until now, Murrelektronik mainly offered products for indoor use. But if electronic systems are used on harvesters, wood processing, or construction machines, they have to withstand extreme temperatures, direct sunlight, different kinds of liquids, and lots of vibration. That's why Murrelektronik created the Xtreme system for passive wiring for all of these environments. Sensors are connected by optimized M12 connectors with a new two-way sealing system. Actuators like valves or rotary encoders can be connected by the valve plugs. The Type A plugs have an integrated LED suppression and an attached silicone seal ring so you can't lose it. The Junior Timer is a molded valve plug with integrated LED suppression especially designed for mobile usage. The resistant and translucent PUR material covers all the electronic parts but still lets you see the current status with an ultra-bright LED. You can order all these plugs as cord sets or connection cables with M12 males on the other end. The male plug can be connected then to the MVP Xtreme distribution box to collect all the different signals in one place. This reduces the amount of cables and saves time. The stainless steel metal threads secure the strongest connection ever, and ultra-bright LEDs show you the status even in direct sunlight. If you have any questions about Murrelektronik or the products you saw today, feel free to contact us directly through Murrelektronik.com. Thank you for going on this short tour with me, and remember, we are connectivity, and connectivity is the plus in automation.